Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4, Play, and the topic of today's lesson is punctuation. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize and use a full stop at the end of a statement, recognize and use a question mark at the end of a question. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the punctuation. When we ask something, we use a question mark at the end of the sentence. For example, where is my little dog? As you can see, this sentence here is in question form. Someone is interrogating about their little dog. It is in inquiry form. How are you feeling now? It's again in the question form, and you can see the question mark at the end because it is in the question mark and someone is interrogating about the feeling about the little dog. Whenever we ask question from someone, we add question mark at the end. Capital letters. What are the capital letters? We use capital letters for name like Mary, England, London. You can see the first letter of it is capitalized. When we take the name of something specific like months, January, February, like days of the week like Monday, Tuesday, always capitalize the first letter of it because these are proper nouns, the specific nouns. At the beginning of the sentence, we capitalize the first letter. I like apples. After full stop, Mary like apples. You can see the M here is capitalized. Then full stop. Then she eats 5 apples a day. After full stop, the first letter is, yes, capitalized. Full stops. What are the full stops? We use full stop to mark the end of a sentence. Like the sunset was beautiful. You can see the end of the statement or end of any sentence. We use full stop. I'm not a good cook, but I try my best. You can see here the full stop. When the sentence is complete, we add full stop at the end of it. So here we have question mark. What is the question mark? The main use of the question mark is to ask a question. For example, are you playing cricket? Someone is inquiring about playing cricket. You can see the question mark here. What time is it? A question mark here. On page number 22 of your textbook, we have an exercise here. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letter, full stops or question mark where necessary. We have discussed the concepts of full stop, capital letters and question mark. So you have to punctuate it. The first one here, can you swim in the river? Yes, this is the start of the sentence, so the first letter should be capitalized here. C. And this sentence is in question form, so we have to put yes, the question mark at the end. Can you swim in the water? Someone is interrogating about swimming in the water. The B. I like to drink banana milkshake. Here, I should be capitalized. And yes, end of the sentence. So there should be a full stop here. See here, what is your favorite subject? Again, you can see the word what here. The W should be capitalized because it is the start of the sentence, the first word here and the first letter. And it is in question form, so there should be a question mark. T. He is excited about the cricket match. The H should be capitalized here. Yes, the full stop here. The E, how many oranges are there in the basket? The H is capitalized. Yes, again it is in question form. So we have to put a question mark at the end. F here, will you help me in my homework? Again we have the question form here. Question mark here and the V should be capitalized. The G here, she has two brothers and a sister. S should be capitalized and this is a statement or a sentence. It should be end with the yes. Full stop here. This is your home task from workbook. Identify the sentences that need question mark or full stop. Then rewrite the sentences. You can ask your classmates to help you. These are the sentences. You need to put question mark and full stop here if you see anything. If there is any necessity to put full stop and question mark in these sentences here. This is your homework from summer pack, page number 30. We have an activity here. Make a questionnaire and ask your family members short questions of 3 or 4 words. Write questions and answer under the relevant heading. The green one are questions and the blue one are answer. You have to ask the question which is consist of 3 or 4 words, not more than that. And you have also write to the answer here. This is your homework from summer pack, page number 31. It's an activity here. You have to choose the right option for each sentence here. Pick the full stop. You have to choose one of them. Identify the sentences which ends with the full stop. Find the question mark. Identify the sentence with question mark. Choose the sentence which needs question mark.